Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide Facebook post from someone. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click here what's on your mind and then type the post, for example, hi, how are you today? And you see here only me. If I click post, nobody can see it, only me. And here you have public, it means anyone on or off Facebook can see it. Friend, you should choose friends expect. Click here and then just choose the friend that you don't want them to see it. For example, I choose here 1, 2, 3, and then click save changes and then click post. This is what you need to do if you want to hide Facebook post from someone. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.